Next thing I want to do is we're going to go into the bathrooms, and we have 36 photos we're going to do there. We're going to run the batch edit on that one also. So automate, batch. We're going to choose the folder that we want to grab those from. So we're doing bathrooms, and then choose where we want to save them. Come into bathrooms, new folder. We'll call this 1080 WebP. And we'll label this bathroom remodel. Click OK. And now if we come back out, you will see all the bathroom photos are now popping in here. And if we look at the first one up here, 2.3 megs, this one 27 KB, 1080, 608. So once that finishes there, then we'll go through and do the next